Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. I've got something pretty exciting in store for you today, but before I get too far into that, I think you might know what's coming up. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, thumbs up, all that stuff is super helpful. It's very greatly appreciated. And I can tell that a lot of you that are watching are not subscribed, and I'm just going to take a moment and pause here for a second while you go ahead and click that subscription button. So, I mean, you're here, right? You're watching the video, and you might as well just go ahead and hit that subscribe, because we've got a lot of really wicked stuff coming up that you're not going to want to miss. So go ahead and hit that. Yep, that one right there. Yep, there you go. Okay, perfect. Now we can get on with today's video. Today we are actually going to be riding along with my friend Matthew in his Demolition Derby car in the bone stock class. He was nice enough to let me go ahead and throw a GoPro in there, so I'm not editing this in any way. This is exactly what happened from start to finish, and you get to be in the car with them. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to be in like 100 car accidents in 10 minutes, now's your chance to find out. So grab your seatbelt, grab your popcorn, and hang on. That was definitely pretty cool. Hopefully one of these days I'll actually be in the car driving myself. I think that that would be pretty badass. And now that I'm in with this good group of guys, I'm pretty sure it's probably inevitable at this point. But I'm going to do what I can to make it happen. So I really hope you enjoyed this perspective. And that's going to do it for this episode. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.